Welcome back. In this tutorial we'll be discussing lesson 0, which is how to get the IDE, which is textpad, installed, and Java JDK developer kit, which will allow us to compile Java and run Java applications. So first thing I'm going to do is go to the lesson, to click on the website this link, and then you go all the way down and over post to get to lesson 0. We scroll down, and here it is. Okay. So step by step. First step I listed was to go to Oracle's site, which Oracle is a company that makes Java and also makes SQL, which is database. So it's a very big company. So you scroll down and you click this link right here, and then you accept the license agreement. Now remember, first off, we're doing JDK 7. There's a new JDK 8. Now, the reason I'm doing JDK 7 is because I know that textpad works with JDK 7. I'm not sure if it works with 8. So we'll use 7. So accept license agreement, and if you're on a Mac, you click this link, and if you're on Windows, click this link. 64. Make sure that's right. I'm sorry, click .86. I'm sorry. Yes. Whoops, click .86. This link right here. So you click it, and let it download, and then after you download it, you're good to go. You got JDK on your computer, and you can now run Java code with any IDE you want, which is Eclipse, NetBeans, textpad, which is the one we're using. So that's the first part. The second part is to get the IDE installed, and we use textpad. So step 1, go to textpad.com. Remember, if you click the picture, it zooms in. So let's go back. Loading time is kind of slow. There we go. Let's go to textpad, click download. Now, my favorite textpad is textpad 5 because 6 and 7 are a little too complicated. They have a steep learning curve, while 5 is easy to just install and program. So we go click this link, the 5.4.2, the English version. Now I don't want to download this because I already have it, so click no. It's going to use the download right there. I'm going to cancel this download. Okay. This already has textpad also, as you know. And after you download the English version, open up textpad so you get a blank document, and then click tools, external tools. Make sure compile Java, run Java application, and Java application present. If they're not present, you have to go to tools. Hold on, where is it? Actually, I haven't done this in a while. So you have to do configure preferences, tools, add JDK commands. Okay, so configure preferences. Here we go. So tools, add program. Oh, hold on. What is it? JDK commands. Now, it doesn't give me the option because I already have the JDK. I already have the JDK commands, which are compile Java, run Java application, and run Java applet. So I already have it. So if you don't have them, when you install JDK correctly and they don't show up when you click tools, then you can add them through this shortcut. Now if that doesn't work, then I would reinstall JDK and textpad. And if that still doesn't work, then I'm sorry. Best I can do. So after you get this running and test it out, well, you can't because you don't know how to do Java, but you can use the lesson 1 code, which is already up. You can just type it in, test it. So you do compile Java is either do tools, external tools compile, or do Control+1, which is faster. Make sure it says tool complete successfully. which means there are no errors. Now remember, in lesson the previous video, I discussed how if you have an error, it will not compile. Two errors. So now just Control Z. It compiles successfully. Which means you can run the code. Control 2. Now main method not found. Oh, I forgot. I deleted the new method. Okay. It's not good. Okay. Yeah, for one of the future lessons, I deleted the main method to show what happens is if you don't have a main method, right, it still compiles, but doesn't run. So the first thing you need is a main method. To have a program in Java that runs. So it would be, oh there it is. Oh my god. It's right over here. There we go. So now it does run. And you can see, we'll discuss in the next lesson is this is a statement, and the only thing this program runs is what is inside these quotes, which is my first program. So there you go, and here it is. Okay, thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson.